Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce and preserve it. Start by choosing about 5 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes like Roma or San Marzano for a rich sauce. Wash and core them, then chop into 1-inch pieces. In a large pot, combine the tomatoes with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a pinch of salt. Simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To elevate your sauce, incorporate fresh herbs such as a 1/4 cup of chopped basil and 1 tablespoon of oregano during the final 10 minutes of cooking. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A small pinch of sugar can balance acidity, and a splash of red wine or balsamic vinegar adds wonderful depth. Continue simmering until it reaches your preferred thickness. Before preserving, it's crucial to sterilize your glass jars and new lids. You can do this by boiling them for 10 minutes or running them through a hot dishwasher cycle. Keep the jars hot until you're ready to fill them with your hot sauce. Carefully ladle the sauce into each jar, leaving exactly 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim. This space is vital for proper sealing. Place the filled jars into a large pot with a canning rack, ensuring they are covered by at least 1 inch of boiling water. Process pint jars for 35 minutes, adjusting for altitude if necessary. After processing, carefully remove the jars and let them cool undisturbed on a towel for 24 hours. Check for proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store sealed jars for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.